Your doors are more than just entry points. They set the tone for your home's style, impact energy efficiency, and enhance security. For homeowners in Gilbert, Arizona, where the climate is warm and dry, custom door replacement offers a unique opportunity to tailor your home's entryways to meet both functional and aesthetic needs. Here are some of the top benefits of choosing custom door replacement for your Gilbert home. Enhanced curb appeal and personal style. A custom door is an investment in your home's appearance. Unlike standard doors, custom doors can be designed to match your personal style and the architectural character of your home. With options in materials, colors, finishes, and decorative glass, custom doors add a distinctive look that enhances curb appeal. Whether you want a bold, modern entrance or a traditional wood design, a custom door can create a beautiful focal point that sets your home apart. Perfect fit and seamless installation. Older doors may not fit perfectly due to shifting foundations or previous replacements. Custom doors are crafted to fit your home's unique measurements, ensuring a seamless fit. A precise fit is especially beneficial in Gilbert's climate, as it helps prevent drafts and leaks that can impact your indoor temperature. A custom-fit door means better insulation, smoother operation, and a look that feels tailored to your space. Professional installation also ensures the door is properly aligned and secure, further enhancing its efficiency and longevity. Improved energy efficiency. Gilbert homeowners know how challenging it can be to keep their homes cool during the long, hot summers. Custom doors can be built with energy-efficient materials like insulated cores, low-E glass, and weather-resistant finishes. These features help reduce heat transfer, keeping your indoor space cooler and more comfortable. When you minimize air leaks and improve insulation, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, which can lead to significant energy savings over time. Choosing a custom door that's designed with Gilbert's climate in mind allows you to enjoy a comfortable home and lower utility bills. Increased security and durability. Your home's security starts with your doors. Custom doors are often built with advanced security features like reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and multi-point locking systems. Additionally, you can choose materials like fiberglass, steel, or solid wood that are more durable and resistant to forced entry. Custom doors are typically built with higher quality materials and craftsmanship, offering better longevity and peace of mind. For Gilbert homeowners, investing in a secure custom door can protect your property and your family. Unique design options and features. One of the biggest advantages of custom doors is the endless variety of design options. You can choose from a range of materials, including wood, steel, fiberglass, and glass, each with its own benefits. Custom doors can include decorative elements like sidelights, transoms, or stained glass, adding beauty and allowing more natural light into your home. Customization options also extend to hardware, finishes, and colors, enabling you to create a door that truly reflects your taste. A custom door lets you design every detail, from the shape and size to the decorative accents. Low maintenance and long-lasting quality. These standard doors can sometimes require frequent maintenance due to warping, fading, or cracking over time. Custom doors are typically constructed from high-quality materials that are designed to withstand Gilbert's intense sun and dry climate. Options like fiberglass and steel offer durability with minimal upkeep, while UV-resistant finishes protect colors from fading. Choosing a door material suited to the local environment reduces the need for frequent maintenance and ensures that your door maintains its look and functionality for years. Higher property value. A custom door not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home but also adds value to it. Prospective buyers are attracted to features that combine style and functionality, and a custom door provides both. Custom doors give the impression of a well-maintained, thoughtfully designed home, which can positively impact its market value. Additionally, energy-efficient, secure doors are a strong selling point, particularly in Gilbert, where energy savings and security are top priorities. Enhanced indoor-outdoor flow. In Gilbert, homeowners often enjoy creating seamless indoor-outdoor living spaces, and a custom door can enhance this connection. Sliding glass doors, large French doors, or bifold doors are popular options that open up living areas to outdoor patios, decks, or backyards. By choosing a custom door that suits your lifestyle and layout, you can create a smooth transition between inside and outside, making it easier to entertain or simply enjoy the natural beauty of your surroundings. Choosing a custom door replacement for your Gilbert home is a smart investment that enhances style, energy efficiency, and security. With a custom door, you gain control over the look and functionality of your entryway, ensuring a perfect fit for your home's unique needs and climate. From increased property value to long-lasting durability, a custom door offers a range of benefits that go beyond aesthetics. If you're considering a door upgrade, consult with a professional in Gilbert who specializes in custom door installation. With expert guidance, you'll be able to design a door that transforms your entryway and provides lasting value for years to come.